Hello. Welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. In this segment you will learn how to replace a document in a group that is in progress, and how to replace a document in a group that has been declined by the county recorder. Begin by navigating to the Iowa Land Records e-submission website. Log into your e-submission account with your unique ID and password. Once you are logged into your e-submission homepage, you will notice a table where all of your groups that are not currently submitted are displayed. The table includes information such as group name and document status. You will notice two different groups, one named Replacing Documents Demo and the other named Replacing Documents Demo 2. You will notice that each group has a status. The first group has a status of Recorder Declined and the second group has a status of In Progress. We will first replace a document in the group that is in progress. Start by selecting the pencil icon next to the group named Replacing Documents Demo. You will be taken to the group where you will see a list of documents in the group. There is only one document in the group. Select the pencil icon next to the document type Mortgage. In the General tab for the document, click to the tab labeled Attached Doc. In the Attached Doc tab you will see the document that is currently attached, the document name, and the number of pages the document has. To replace the document, select the Browse button. You will be taken to the Choose File to Upload window. In the Upload window, locate the document you would like to replace your current uploaded document with. Select the document. Once you have selected the document, select the Open button. You will be taken back to the Attached Document tab where you will notice that the box labeled Replace is now filled with the document link for your new document. Click the Save button to ensure that your new document will replace the old document that was listed. You will notice that the document name has been replaced with the name of the new document you uploaded. Select the Review tab to ensure that all of the fees for your new document are correct. If the fees are correct, click the Submit button. You will be taken to the Group tab where you will notice a green message that confirms that your document was updated successfully. Select the Submit Group button to send the group to the county recorder. After you submit the group, you will be taken back to your e-submission homepage where you will notice a message at the top of the page confirming that your group Replacing Documents Demo was submitted successfully. You will also notice that you have a Recorder Declined group remaining. Before resubmitting this group to the county recorder, you need to replace another document. Start the process by selecting the pencil icon next to the group named Replacing Documents Demo 2. You will be taken to a list of documents in the group. This group only has one document. Select the pencil icon next to the document. Select the Attached Doc tab. Take note of the current document that is attached, the name of the documents and the number of pages. To upload a new document, select the Browse button. The Choose File to Upload window will open. Select the document you would like to replace your current document with. Select the Open button. In the Attached Document tab you will notice that the box labeled Replace is now filled with the document link for your new document. Select Save to confirm that you would like to attach this document. You will notice that the document name has been replaced with the name of the new document you uploaded. Select the Review tab to ensure that all of the fees for your new document are correct. Since this group was declined by the recorder, this time in the Review tab select the Resubmit Radio button to confirm that you would like to resubmit this document to the county recorder. Select the Submit button. You will be taken back to the Group tab where you will notice a message that confirms that your document was updated successfully. Select the Submit Group button to resubmit the group to the county recorder. After submitting the group, you will be taken to your e-submission homepage. At the top of the page you will notice a message that confirms that the Replacing Documents Demo 2 group was submitted successfully. Congratulations! You now know how to replace a document in a group that is in progress, and how to replace a document in a group that has been declined by the county recorder. Here are some key points to remember. Select the pencil icon next to the group you would like to edit. In the group, select the pencil icon next to the document you would like to replace. Browse for and select the document you would like to replace the current document with. Go to the Review tab and select the Resubmit Radio button and then select Submit. Repeat this process for each of the documents in the group. Return to the Group tab and select the Submit Group button to resubmit the group to the county recorder. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/esubmission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter, at Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.